Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on the Xiaomi 15. Okay, so let's begin. So basically all you need to do is go into your WhatsApp account. Now when you're on the screen, simply click on those three dots on the top right corner and now click on settings. Scroll down a little bit until you find the chats. Scroll again and now into the chat backup. Okay, in the Google account you simply need to select the Google account that you want to use. Also, you can turn on the automatic backups starting from the daily, weekly, monthly, or only when I tap backup. Or if you want, you can also set it on the off. So I'll choose the weekly mode. Also, if you want, you can include the videos. They also will be backupped. And at the bottom you have end-to-end encrypted backup. So basically when you will turn it on, you will need to create a special password that you will need to use when you want to restore the backup. So if you want, you can create a one by pressing this green button, but I'll leave it to you. And now simply click on backup. This green button, you need to wait a little bit. Okay, as you can see now we have information when the last backup was made and the size of it. Okay, so basically that's all in this video. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.